So I'm a bit confused because at first I thought, okay, this part will go to the bottom like this. I was like, wow, well, it's an interesting shape, but it's very like metal solid. I was like, okay, it will be stay in the ground really safely. It will be good. And now I found out that actually this is the top part, just the decorative part, and down we'll just use this metal, I don't know, pole and a little safety guard on the side. So I don't think it will be very stable. So I'm kind of confused because this bird feeder is very heavy and it doesn't have any seeds in it. So I am a bit confused. Here are my amazing Swedish polywear boots, winter boots. They withstand temperatures up to -40 degrees Celsius. I recommend to everyone. It's a really good buy. Okay, actually it's not that cold, so you can do everything without gloves, but I didn't want to touch any metal things like appliances and tools without, because it's kind of cold. And here, oh yeah, if you can see the traces at night, here were some deer, not reindeer, but like the smaller ones without horns. They were like walking here, you can see. Yeah, because just behind me, like behind that yellow house, there is a forest, a real forest. -7 degrees Celsius is not a critical temperature, but as you can see, the padlock is already frozen, and sometimes even the front door lock may freeze. So that's why I always have a box of matches on me in winter, just to be able to get where I need to get. Так, кормушка стоит, Мини пришла, а там у нас еще одна кормушка. Но просто когда здесь машина паркуется, то ту кормушку не видно. Так что теперь их две. It's okay, Pusha. Soon they will come here too. Don't worry. Cooking time. Traditional Swedish dish, Janssons Frestelse or Janssons Temptation. So we have to grate our vegetables. There are 2 onions and about like 8 potatoes. And we have to spread them evenly in a form. In my case, it's 2 pans, greased pans. We are moving to anchovies, a regular can of 125 grams. We will need to spread the fish evenly, and we'll have to top everything with the remains of the brine. Now it's cream time. I have cooking cream, 13% fat, and I pour about 200 milliliters of cream in each of my pans. Let's mix everything so all of the juices will spread evenly, and we will move to our breadcrumbs. I take a handful of breadcrumbs for each of my pans and just spread them on the top. Put everything in the hot oven for 1 hour. It should be 200 degrees Celsius. And it's done. Let's try it. Delicious. I recommend everyone to try. If you're a potato lover, yes, please try it. And this is 4 p.m. in Sweden in December. So before Lucia, this is how light is it outside, and I don't know, can you see anything? Can't even focus that well. So this is why all of the Swedes, they really like spending time outside, like with the first spring sun coming.